Today's episode of Plant With Me is brought to you by the book of Jadam Organic Pest and Disease Control and Jadam Organic Farming.
Oh, hello mga ka-jungle! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's Plant With Me episode ay iriripat natin ang ating nabili na American lemon na galing kay Tita Evelyn's garden. Pero bago yan, someone sent us a gift. May nagpadala sa atin from South Korea. Kamsahamnida! Thank you so much for this very amazing gift from Jadam Organic Farming. And this gift is from South Korea and i-unbox na natin ito. So let's unbox this gift from South Korea. I'm so very excited kasi this is the first time sa ating channel na may nag-send ng gift. So ayan mga ka-jungle, let's see what's inside this box. Actually, alam ko na na-book ito pero gusto kong makita. I'm so excited. So let's unbox this. I have this scissor. So ayan, let's open this book and let's see what's inside this book. At alam nyo mga ka-jungle, last week, nag-email Jadam Organic sa akin na meron daw silang ipapadala na gift. And I'm so overwhelmed na ako ang napili nila. And ayan, I'm so very happy to open this and to read what's inside the book. So ayan, i-open na natin. Huwag na natin patagalan ito. So ayan, as you can see, okay naman siya. Mabilis naman yung pag-send. Baka natin mapunit ito. Okay. Alright. I'm so excited. Wow! So beautiful. Dalawang book pala. So, ayan mga ka-jungle, dalawa siya ang ating book na pinadala sa atin. So, this is a Jadam Organic Pest and Disease Control, Power of DIY Solution, 167 Common Garden Pest and Disease. And, yan. And also, I have here, this one is Jadam Organic Farming, the way to ultra low cost agriculture. So, yan. Ang ganda, di ba? So, yan. Like, wow, I like this book. It's really amazing. I love the cover, the texture of the book. So, the author of this book is from Youngsang Cho, and he prepared this book for 6 years. Can you imagine? Nagsulat siya ng libro for 6 years, and as you can see, dalawa yung nasulat niyang libro. And so, actually, this is very helpful for the farmers, for the plantito and plantita out there, because this is a Jadam Organic Pest and Disease Control. Ako sa librong ito ay napakalinaw ng photos niya. Yung mga picture niya dito, super linaw and clear photos. I really love this book so much. And it's very big help for me kasi nagtatanim tayo. And I'm so very excited to read this book. So where to buy this book? You can buy this book at Amazon. I will put the link description below so that you can buy this book at Amazon. So ayan, thank you so much Youngsang Cho. Thank you so much Youngsang Cho for giving this book. I really appreciate your gift. And also all the staff and all the manager of Jadam Organic Farming. So now, let's proceed to our video. So I'm going to repot this beautiful American lemon. And this is from Evelyn's garden. Nabili ko ito, 50 pesos yung isa. So dalawa yung binili ko. So one tip kapag kayo'y bumibili ng mga bagong halaman sa garden shop or sa plant shop o sa greenhouses, huwag niyo munang i-repot. Patagalin niyo muna mga 3 to 4 days para ma-adapt nila ang environment sa bahay niyo. So ayan, dito yung ating pot na gagamitin. This is a big pot. So ayan mga ka-jungle, ito yung dalawang pot na gagamitin natin dahil maganda sila at malaki. Dahil yung mga American lemon ay lumalaki talaga. So, I'm using the soil here, the 5-in-1 mixed soil, which is, mas pinarami ko lang yung garden soil dahil, fruits siya. Yan. This one. So, i-repot na natin ito. So, first natin ay ilalagay natin yung ating soil dito sa dalawang big pot. Mabilis lang, ilalagay lang natin, itatanim lang natin dito. Kung gusto nyong bumili ng American lemon doon kay Tita Evelyn's Garden, meron sila doon. 50 pesos only. And then, meron na siyang actually bunga. And, ayan, pinili ko talaga. So, ayan, pupunuin natin ito. Kayo ay bibili ng pot, siguraduhin nyo na may butas ha. Using these shells, very, matulis siya. Okay, ilalagay na natin ang lemon dito. Okay, I'm going to cut this one. So, ayan, dahan-dahan sa kuha. So, as you can see, the root system is very healthy. Walang problema, walang root rot. So, yan, gaganin yan na lang. So, ayan, kung may naririnig kayo na aso, sa kapitbahay namin nun. Napakasimple lang magtanim nito ng ng lemon. So, I'm very happy. Actually, ka-jungle, first time sa akin, may nagpadala dito sa ating YouTube channel na ganon. And grinab ko na talaga as in. Yan, itatanim na natin itong pangalawang American lemon na may bunga. So, very healthy leaves. Yan. So, ang healthy-healthy niya, ayan. Kasi, ito yung makikita nyo, bakit healthy yung roots na ating mga plants dahil yellow to moderate white yung kanyang kulay kapag healthy ang inyong plants. So, ayan. Tumigil na ang aso kakasahol. So, here we go. Naitanim na natin ang ating lemon and I'm so very happy na naripat na natin ito. So, ayan mga ka-jungle, ipapakita ko din sa inyo ang kanyang bunga nitong American lemon at ito yung bunga niya. So, ito ang example ng bunga ng lemon na to. I'm so very excited na lumaki ito at magparami tayo. So, ayan, napakabilis lang magtanim ng lemon o American lemon sa ating mga bahay, lalo na kung iriripat lang ang mga ito. So, I hope you enjoy watching Plant With Me episode. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell below to update my new videos here in Mark of the Jungle Plant. So, I will see you next episode because more plant, less stress.